Hi, I'm Rich, and today I'm going to show you how I built these garden posts. They're made out of 6" by 6" by 8" long timber, and I use them to put along the street to deter cars from driving into my plants, but you could put them anywhere in the garden. Each post will be staggered. One will be 11 inches taller than the shortest post, and the medium post will be 5 inches taller than the shortest post. The length of each post will be 54 inches, 59 inches, and 65 inches. That will give us 18 inches will be in the ground, and the remainder will be sticking out. We're going to fill the hole with about 6 inches of concrete. You could put more if you prefer, but I think that'll be suitable. Set your skill saw to cut at its deepest depth. Then use a square to make your first cut. Rotate the wood and make your second cut. Use your first cut as a guide and use your square to keep it straight. Keep rotating the wood and cutting until you're at your last cut. Once you've done that, we're going to use a handsaw to cut the remaining piece of wood out. It won't be very much. And there you go. That's what our 3 pieces will look like after they're cut. I took some scrap plywood and made some stakes to put in the ground and some long brackets to attach to the posts so they stay in the ground while we put the concrete in and backfill the holes. Before I dug the holes, I put some cones out so I could get an idea of exactly where I wanted to put my posts. And I did this about a week ago so I could kind of get an idea, move them around a little until I knew exactly where I wanted them to be. Here's the hole I dug and the posts loosely set in the hole. And next I will put some brackets on these and get them level. Here's what it looks like after I put the brackets on. Everything's level, and I used a post level attached with the bungee cord, and then I also use a standard level that you see over here on the ground. I poured a half a bag of concrete into the hole, which was about 6 inches deep. Then I took the hose and I sprayed it lightly in the hole to get the concrete wet. This is how it came out after I backfilled the hole the rest of the way with the dirt. And then it's just time to remove all the brackets. See how it looks. I repeated that process 2 more times, and I created all 3 of these groups along the street. Here's what it looks like now, and here's what it looked like before. I'm going to use the smaller scrap pieces from this project to make some shorter posts in the garden in some other areas. So I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe if it did. See you next time.